Bro, where are my keys? How did I lose my keys again? I got places to go. I'm not trying to be here all day. Oh my goodness. Let me call people. Oh wait. I have the app. I can find my keys. Hold on, let's see where my keys are at. I hear my keys. What in the world? Is this close to me? Ah, here's my key. Let's go. You can leave now.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jing, 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 jingle bell. Jing, 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 jingle bell. Jing, 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 jingle bell.
What is what ain't what it should be? It's Spiffy. We are on day 9 of 12 days to Christmas. Are y'all still here with me? I'm going to be unboxing the AirTag 4-pack, which I've got so long ago. And actually, me and my mother went half on this because that's the best way to get these AirTags. The 4-pack is $9.99 and a singular one is $30. So if you get the 4-pack, a singular one is now $25. If you and another person both go half on this, that means you will both save $10, and overall it will be a $20 save on 4 AirTags. Now the box has already been opened because, like I said, I went halves with my mother. She has 2 that she's been using for like some months. Exposing myself, but yes, I haven't used mine and I have lost my keys multiple times, so it is beyond ready for me to finally open mine and use it. Boom, we're gonna just open to that side because those 2 are mine and the other 2 will be here, but they're gone. So we're just gonna focus right about here. Nice noise. Oh, forgot about this. You can pick little emojis to be on your AirTag to personalize it. So as you can see, I have both key and wallet set up. I got this keychain from Amazon. My link will be down below. And speaking of links, if you see any Amazon links in my description, I am affiliate with them as of this date of this video. I will receive a small commission if you purchase anything using my Amazon links in the description. And that's just one little way to support the channel and also get the items you were already going to get from Amazon anyways. Of course, the price will not change for you. It will be exactly the same, but I will receive a small commission from that purchase. So yes, so I do not have an actual accessory for the wallet. I think for the wallet, all I'm going to just do is just unzip the coin section and just plop it right in there and call it a day, and easily just track my wallet that way, you know. And then for the key, we have this baby. We're gonna undo the button and I'm going to slide it down, trying to get it as straight as possible. Snap it and we're good to go. We have a little keychain ready for my keys, so if I misplace them again, I can find them easily, hopefully. Now there is a feature of like GPS walking, but I have not been able to access that. When I go to the Find My app, it says it's within the Find My app, and I've also done the update of my phone, but I would love to see how the little GPS Find My AirTag works. But regardless, the beeping sound of this is beyond easy to tell where your items is at. yes, I'm going to wrap up this video. We are done with day 9 of 12 days to Christmas. We are really flying by with these days. Oh my goodness, it's almost Christmas. If you're thinking about getting the AirTags, for sure, see if you want all 4, then get all 4. But if not, if you want just 2, see if you can partner up with somebody. 50 and 50, you will save $20 overall with the 4 AirTags. It was the best way to go. But other than that, I want to catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit the like button, the feedback box is down below, and most importantly, visit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.